In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the workspace icon on Slack. If you're looking to personalize your workspace or perhaps freshen it up with a new look, you're in the right place. Changing your workspace icon is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you every step of the way. To get started, open the Slack application on your desktop or, if you prefer, use the web browser. The first thing you'll want to do is locate your workspace name. You'll typically find this in the top left corner of the sidebar within the app. It's usually the name of your organization or team. Go ahead and give it a click. Once you've clicked on the workspace name, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, hover over the Tools and Settings option. You won't need to click just yet. Simply resting your cursor over it will bring up another set of options. Now, click Customize Workspace Name. Selecting this option will open the workspace settings in a new browser tab. If you're using the web version of Slack, this might feel quite natural. For desktop app users, don't worry. The transition is seamless, and you'll find yourself where you need to be in no time. Moving on, your next step is to navigate to the Workspace Icon tab. On the Customization page, you'll notice several tabs that allow you to change different settings. Look for the one labeled Workspace Icon and click on it. This is where all the magic will happen. Here, you'll see a section allowing you to upload a new icon. Start by clicking the Choose File button. This will open your computer's File Explorer, allowing you to browse and choose the image you'd like to set as your new workspace icon. Pick your favorite image, something that represents your team or organization well. Once you've selected the image, click Upload Icon. Slack will automatically import your image into the system. An important aspect of this process is ensuring that the image fits within the designated square icon space. You'll now be provided with a tool to crop the image as needed. This step ensures that your image looks just right. Adjust the crop area so the image is centered and displays exactly as you want it to appear. Take a moment to make sure it looks good. Finally, click Crop Icon to save your changes. And there you have it. Your new workspace icon is all set up, adding a personal touch to your Slack environment. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and enjoyable. Customizing your workspace is a great way to make it feel like it truly belongs to your team. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.